parking here. Wagons turning. So if it's wagons turning, that means I have to go into this side. Okay. So let's see. They want the stuff there. Okay. Wagons delivering. I don't know if they want the stuff here, because I got pet food. I mean, like, I really know. No entry. The garden center, please main end. I just have to go. I just have to go to the reception to see where they want it. I parked the lorry here anyway. Please park up to the compost pallets. Compost here. Drop off, put it there, and that's it. Take me this one. Let's see. Fall it. Thank you. Yeah. Take the bar from here. Everything is done. Nice and easy. Thank you. Okay. Give it a wipe. It's better than nothing. Okay, ready to go. Lovely. This job was excellent. The guys from here, they just give me a shout, you see, like, hey! I like when it's like that. Lovely. Lovely. Better than staying home and doing nothing and time wasting. Come to work, earn some money, that's it. Different story. You see, this life as a lorry driver is more about the money, because you chase the money, you have the money, you build your life. Simple as that. You don't have the money, you don't have what to eat proper, you don't have a life. Simple as that. So in our times, everything, nearly everything, nearly anything is governed by money. No money, no life. No job, no money. Well, you can do money otherwise, but I don't advise you, because you might get rich at some point and then you might lose everything. And then you might stay away for a while and have a long period of rest. Yeah, it will be a bad one. Yeah. One. Nice and easy.